What if you could watch a human life begin from just a single microscopic cell and witness it transform into a fully developed baby in only 9 months? Inside the womb, one of the greatest biological miracles on Earth unfolds every single day. Every heartbeat, every tiny movement, every new organ is carefully guided by nature. Let's step inside the womb and see the incredible transformation before birth. It all begins with fertilization. When a sperm successfully joins an egg, they create a single cell called a zygote. Although it's smaller than the tip of a pin, it already contains the complete genetic blueprint that determines everything from eye color to blood type. Within hours, this tiny cell starts dividing rapidly. As it travels through the fallopian tube toward the uterus, it becomes a cluster of hundreds of cells known as a blastocyst. Around 1 week later, it attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. This process is called implantation, and it marks the beginning of pregnancy. Soon after, an amazing organ begins to develop: the placenta. The placenta acts as the baby's lifeline, delivering oxygen and nutrients from the mother's bloodstream while removing waste products. The baby and mother never actually share the same blood, but nutrients and oxygen pass safely through this remarkable organ. By the 5th week of pregnancy, something extraordinary happens. The tiny heart begins beating. At this stage, the embryo is only about the size of a sesame seed, yet blood is already circulating through its tiny body. Next, the brain and spinal cord begin forming from a structure called the neural tube. Tiny buds appear that will soon become the arms and legs. By the end of the 2nd month, nearly every major organ has started developing. The heart has 4 chambers. The eyes, ears, nose, and mouth become visible. Little fingers and toes begin separating. Although the baby measures only about 1 inch long, it already looks like a tiny human. Now the embryo enters a new stage and is officially called a fetus. During the 3rd and 4th months, growth accelerates. Bones begin replacing soft cartilage, making the skeleton stronger. The baby's muscles become active, allowing small stretches, kicks, and turns. Although these movements are happening constantly, many mothers won't feel them until around the middle of pregnancy. Tiny fingernails and toenails grow. The kidneys begin producing urine, and the liver continues supporting blood cell production. As the pregnancy reaches the 5th and 6th months, the transformation becomes even more remarkable. The baby's hearing develops, allowing it to recognize sounds from outside the womb, especially the mother's voice and heartbeat. Tiny fingerprints are now completely formed. A soft protective coating called vernix caseosa covers the skin, while fine hair known as lanugo helps keep that coating in place. The lungs continue developing, even though the baby still receives oxygen through the placenta instead of breathing air. During the 7th and 8th months, the brain experiences an incredible growth spurt. Millions of new nerve connections form every day. The eyes can open and close. The baby can respond to bright light, loud sounds, and even familiar voices. Fat begins building beneath the skin, making the body rounder and helping regulate temperature after birth. The lungs produce increasing amounts of surfactant, a substance that helps keep the air sacs open once the baby takes its first breath. Finally, the 9th month arrives. Most babies move into a head-down position, preparing for delivery. The organs become fully mature. The brain continues developing rapidly, and the lungs are now ready to function outside the womb. After approximately 40 weeks of pregnancy, the average baby measures about 50 centimeters in length and weighs around 3 to 3.5 kilograms. Then comes the most incredible moment of all. The umbilical cord, which has supplied oxygen and nutrients throughout pregnancy, is no longer needed. The baby takes its very first breath, from a single microscopic cell to trillions of specialized cells working together. The transformation before birth is one of the greatest wonders of human biology. Every heartbeat, every movement, and every stage of development reminds us just how extraordinary the journey of life truly is. If you enjoyed this amazing journey inside the womb, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more fascinating medical visualizations of pregnancy and human development.